Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your PXN V9 to your computer. So I'm actually referring through the official forum or instructions of the company itself. So basically, in order to do this, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to plug and connect the pedals and shifter according to the users before using. Now, after making sure that everything is connected together, we want to plug the USB cable of the steering wheel onto the computer itself. Now, right after, the default working mode is going to be the X input. The red indicator will stay on when the connection is successful. So that is your first indicator. Basically, from there, the working mode can be changed by pressing the mode button. And then this is how you change the working mode itself. You want to press mode button for at least 3 seconds on the steering wheel until the indicator red flashes. Then working mode is changed to basically the input. Now for the X input mode, it is recommended for games that are Need for Speed 13, Dirt 2 or 3, Ridge Racing, and etc. For the D input, it's recommended for games like Need for Speed 1 to 12, Euro Truck Simulator, and more. You could just go ahead and look at which type of input works best for your game, but that's how simple it is. Connect your USB connection and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.